Alright, so here I've got a 2005 BMW K1200s. If you look at the exhaust, it is not the stock exhaust. I've got a GP pipe. It's nearly straight pipe. There's like no baffle in it. It's very small. Had some custom work done. Cost me like 150 bucks. It's super cheap. The tip I think was 40, and the extra work was about 100, 150. So not too bad. The stock exhaust makes it sound like a scooter from the Jetsons, so I couldn't have that. This one's nice and loud, so I'll turn the bike on, let you hear it. So people don't merge into me anymore, and it's nice and loud.